We are at the Horseshoe, floor 16, room 49. This is going to be a 2-queen room. When you first walk in, to the left is going to be your safe. You have some hangers right there, an ironing board, and then a little shelf area right there. Then when you walk over here, you're going to see your restroom on the right hand side. Big huge vanity right there. I always call that the pimple popping mirror right there. We do have a little bit of toiletries right there. Great water pressure. It is hot. We have used this room. It is a little messy. There's your toilet right there. It does have a shower, no tub, but it is a pretty big shower right here. Of course, don't smack the door like I just did. Shower is a little weird because you have to go past the cold to the hot, which a lot of them do that these days. But there is your body wash, conditioner, and shampoo right there. So not too bad on the bathroom area. And this is going to be your room. This is your 2-queen bed. There's my mom over there in the corner. A little plugging area for your scooter or your phone or whatever you need to be plugged in. A nice huge flat screen television. Does have a lot of channels on there and they worked, so that was good. And then once you open this up, you're gonna see your mini fridge unstocked so you can fit all your drinks. I actually brought some beer and put it in there myself, so that's a good feature of Horseshoe Las Vegas. You got a couple drawers right there, a little sitting area with a nice chair. Another sitting area. This is what makes this room absolutely amazing, is if you look down here, you'll see the Bellagio fountains on the corner. So it does have a fountain view. It was extra. They actually double dipped the room upgrade over here at Horseshoe, so I'm gonna have to call the front desk and get that all worked out. So that's kind of a downfall. There is the Grand Bazaar shops down there. And then obviously Caesar's Palace right across the way. And then of course the Bellagio for the fountains. But this room, I absolutely love the bedding. Mom's not a huge fan of this room, but I actually enjoyed this room. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. This is a brand new channel over here on YouTube. If you like these kind of room tours and videos of Las Vegas. Also leave a comment if you stayed at Horseshoe, if you like Horseshoe. I got a comped room on a Saturday night. So that was a pretty good feature of this room too. And I don't gamble a lot on my Caesar rewards, so make sure you give us a follow, and love you guys, and we'll let you know for the next journey.